Have you seen home prices lately? Of course you have. And that's exactly why you're trying to find out more about manufactured homes and how to finance them. I have good news. Conventional loans are available for manufactured homes, offering you a path to home ownership. Manufactured homes present an affordable and modern alternative to traditional site-built homes. They often come at a lower price point and with less competition from other buyers, making them an attractive option. However, these homes aren't a great solution for everyone. We'll talk about the pros and the cons in a minute, but first, let's see what makes a manufactured home potentially eligible for conventional financing. 1. Permanent foundation. The home must be permanently attached to a foundation with the tow hitch and wheels removed. 2. Real estate classification. It should be classified as real estate with the title eliminated. 3. Construction date. Built after June 15, 1976 and adhering to HUD standards. 4. Size requirements. The home must be at least 12 feet wide and have a minimum of 400 square feet of living space. 5. HUD data plate and certification label. These must be present to verify compliance with safety standards. 6. Single installation. The home should have never been installed elsewhere. 7. Land ownership. The borrower must own the land on which the home is situated. 8. Utilities and access. These have to be connected to utilities and located on a publicly or privately maintained street. 9. No accessory dwelling units, ADUs. The property should not have additional living units. And 10. Completed renovations. Any renovations must be finished and comply with local codes. For financing a manufactured home with a conventional loan, the property can serve as a primary residence, second home, or investment property, though stricter terms apply for a home that you don't plan to live in full time. So, those are the basic qualifications for the property. But what about the buyer? How do you qualify for the loan? Well, typically, you need at least 5% down, though some programs do allow for as little as 3% down. You'll typically need a minimum credit score of 620. You need to show a solid 2-year work history and adequate income to qualify for the payment and all existing debts. If the down payment is less than 20%, private mortgage insurance, PMI, will be required. Available options include 30-year fixed-rate mortgages or specific adjustable rate loans. So if you qualify, is a manufactured home a good idea? Here are some pros and cons, starting with the pros. Number 1, they're more affordable. You can often find manufactured homes at a realistic price point, even in expensive markets. The prices could mean the difference between buying a home now or maybe years in the future. 2, less competition. Most buyers want a typical house. You will have less competition from other buyers, and you may be able to make a below-market offer. Pro number 3, modern designs. Most newer manufactured homes come with designs that make them look more like a site-built home. And now for some cons. 1 is depreciation. While the land it sits on may appreciate, the structure does lose value. Site-built structures, though, generally appreciate over time. 2, land rent. Some manufactured homes are on rented land. These are not eligible for traditional financing, and they can come with sky-high monthly land rent costs. 3, harder to sell. There's less demand for manufactured homes since most buyers are only interested in site-built homes. In all, manufactured homes aren't perfect, but they're worth considering for budget-conscious buyers. No matter what type of home you buy, it's essential to work with a knowledgeable lender to find the right financing solution for your situation. For more information on buying or refinancing a manufactured home, visit mortgageresearch.com. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. And be sure and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks so much for watching, and best of luck on your home buying journey.